Snowing. That's the most ridiculous thing I've heard in my life. What? It's snowing! It's snowing! But remember, that's how Jesus was born. Hey, just watching TV. TV? Yeah. Vickie. Vickie. What? Can I have your number? Can I have it? Can I have your number? Can I have it? Well, can I have your number? Can I have it? I will pepper spray your ass! See if they've got pepper sprayed. So, Mom, I never got your number.
You can have my number. Let's see. If you tell me you know what to do when a yellow bear wearing a red shirt runs after you down the Colorado freeway wearing some plimsolls, do you know what to do? 25 miles an hour, do you know what to do?
No.
You better catch up with them survival skills, little girl. Do you know why? Do you know why?
Why?
Cause the bear gonna get you! Just die quietly.
Hey, is that, candy floss?
Candy floss? Where do you get an idea like that from?
Well, it just looks fluffy and white and...
You know, it's the fur of a dead animal. Do you think it's candy floss?
Yes, candy floss.
You tell me. Oh, yeah.
I don't think it's candy floss.
Eat that dead fur! Eat it!
So then, Mr. Snowman, we know you know what happened on Saturday night. We know. We know. We know you know about the murder. Have you got anything, any information that can help our case? All you got to say for yourself? It's good enough!